Today I'll show you how to create this awesome mask transition in Premiere Pro. So this transition can be seen in movies and shows, and it's actually very easy to learn. Okay, so first of all, you need a video clip where the camera is stationary, meanwhile the subject is walking by from the side like this. Ideally, the subject has to cover the screen vertically like this, and you will see why later in the video. Okay, add the video containing the person on top of the video that we're gonna transition to. Now move the time indicator towards the point in the video where the subject starts appearing. In my case, it's the starting frame of the timeline. Basically, select the video and head over to the Effect Controls panel. Right here, click on the Pen tool, and then keyframe the mask path setting and check this box that says inverted. And then start drawing a mask behind your subject. Draw a nice mask like this, and by doing so, you will see that the background video starts appearing. And this is going to be a little painful to do, but move one frame forward and stretch out the mask towards your subject. Keep moving one frame forward every time and stretch out the subject while keeping accuracy as you're doing so, until the subject is not on the screen anymore. And eventually, you will create this nice mask transition. You can also add some mask feathering to smooth out the edges. You can also extend the mask by clicking on a certain point in the video to be able to stretch it even more, and you can always come back to a certain frame and adjust these dots accordingly. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.